these poems by Meng Hao Ren is called Spring Morning. Meng Hao Ren was born during the Tang Dynasty. He lived in Zhangyang where he began writing his poetry. His poems are generally short in length and all describe landscapes, reclusive lives, and pastorals.
盛晓，作者孟浩然。
Spring Morning by Meng Hao Ren.
春眠不觉晓，
How suddenly the morning comes in spring.
处处闻啼鸟，
On every side you hear the sweet birds sing.
夜来风有声，
Last night amidst the storm, ah, who can tell?
花落知多少。
With wind and rain, how many blossoms fell.
处处闻啼鸟，夜来风有声，花落知多少。
Now we're going to present another poem by Wang Anshu. Wang Anshu was born in the Song Dynasty. He lived in the area of southern China in the Yangtze region. His poetry was in the Shi style, modeled after the works of Du Fu. He was known as one of the 8 greatest poets of the Song and Tang dynasties.
炎日，作者王安石。
New Year's Day by Wang Anshu.
爆竹声中一岁去，
Sounds of firecrackers bid farewell to the passing year.
春风送暖入土宿。
The warm spring breeze blows as pleasantly as drinking a glass of wine.
前门万户通通日，
The dazzling sunlight shines on all families.
中把新桃换旧符。
All families change the old couplets to new ones.
春风送暖入土宿，前门万户通通日，中把新桃换旧符。